Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Zolve Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Zolve Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address zolve.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Zolve. Now in order to proceed, click on the continue button over here. Now you'll be landed on the home page of Zolve. Now in order to proceed to log into your Zolve account or your Zolve Bank account, first click on the get started button at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be on this page of the Zolve where you can see there is the login button available for us. Let's close this. Where you can see there is the login button available for us at the top right corner of the screen over here. Click on that login button and then you'll be directed to the login page of Zolve. Now enter your email address with which you had created an account on Zolve, or you can just simply continue with a Google or an Apple account if you wish to, guys. If you click on either of these buttons, a login panel to your Google or Apple account will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you'll be signed into your Zolve account with your Google or your Apple account. And with that being said, guys, let's click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password over here. Let's enter the password. And after entering your password, guys, you can click on the continue button to log into your account. But guys, if you have forgotten your Zolve account's password, you can always click on the reset button available over here to go through a procedure to reset your Zolve account's password. And with that being said, guys, enter your password and click on the continue button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Zolve account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Zolve account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.